My name is Michael Piccoli with Rescue Products International and MARSARS Water Systems. Welcome to our first ever MARSARS Minute, where we highlight different tricks as well as some of our equipment to give you guys a better understanding of how our equipment operates and some easy ways to utilize it for rescues as well as training. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a quick and easy way to utilize the MARSARS Cold Water Rescue Sling to conduct a rescue. The phrase to remember is strapped to the back. When we place our sling and get ready to make our rescue, the strap is facing our back. This allows us to be able to transfer the sling to the patient via our right hand. People's natural instinct is to come up and grab or shake somebody's right hand. Once I make my patient contact, I'm going to slide my sling over underneath my victim's arm and then transfer my hand to the sling and pull it tight to constrict onto the victim. I'm then going to take the Velcro, pull it over, and strap it back on itself and adjust it as needed. I'm then going to initiate to my land crew my designated signal to have them start the haul and bring us ashore. Thank you for watching today's MARSARS Minute, and be sure to like and follow us on all our social media.